The Stream API, the heart of Java 8 data processing. We'll see what a stream is and what it isn't, the pipeline shape, source, intermediate, terminal, why it's lazy, the operations you'll actually use, and a full example end to end. In one line, a stream is a pipeline that carries elements from a source through a chain of operations. You describe what you want done with your data instead of writing the how, the loops, the counters, the temporary lists, and note. A stream is not a data structure. It doesn't store data, it flows it. Every stream has three parts: a source, usually a collections stream method, then any number of intermediate operations like filter and map that transform the flow, and exactly one terminal operation like collect that produces a result and actually runs the pipeline. Here's the key idea: intermediate operations are lazy, they just build a recipe, nothing happens yet. In this filter, the print never runs because there's no terminal operation. Add count, and only now does the filter actually execute. Build lazily, run on demand. Intermediate operations all return a stream, so they chain. Filter keeps the elements that match. Map transforms each one. Flat map flattens nested streams into one. Distinct removes duplicates, sorted orders them, and limit keeps just the first few. Terminal operations end the pipeline and produce a result, for each does something with each element. Collect gathers everything into a list, set, or map. Reduce combines them into a single value. And count any match and find first answer quick questions. Exactly one terminal op per stream. The two you'll reach for most are collect and grouping by. Collect of collectors dot to list gathers the results into a list, and grouping by builds a map. Here, people grouped by department in a single line. There's also joining, counting, and many more. Put it together and it reads like a sentence. From orders, keep the ones over 100, take each customer, drop duplicates, sort them, and collect to a list. Filter, map, distinct, sorted, collect. Top to bottom, no loops in sight. Quick recap: a stream is a pipeline over data, not a data structure. Source, then lazy intermediate operations, then one terminal operation that runs it. Filter and map are intermediate, collect and reduce are terminal. Nothing runs until that terminal op. And a stream is single use, so it's one terminal per stream. Now make it stick. Take the topic test and climb the leaderboard. The link is in the description below. And here's something special: top the leaderboard on 5 topics in a row, and you'll get a surprise gift from me, plus a personal one on one connect.